Welcome back to the new vlog, and today I am riding BS6 compliant Java Classic, Java Standard, and I feel so nostalgic riding this bike because this reminds me of my childhood days. Really a classic bike. So this is my first ride impression. I try to test how's the acceleration, how's the clutch operation, how's the gear shifting, and above all I need to see how effective the braking is, because when we are in the city, obviously we sometimes need to apply sudden brakes. We might need to accelerate quickly to overtake. Then finally the maneuverability, handling of the bike in the city, how flickable it is, how easy to ride in the traffic, and all these things I am going to check now. I can't really see the traffic in this area, but I will see how flickable it is. So actually that actually translates into its handling in the city. The weight is quite manageable. The weight of this bike is this much, and it is identical to Java 42. Only some styling elements are different, and the overall look of this bike is slightly different, but the specification remains the same. It is 293cc liquid cooled engine, and it produces 26.1 bhp power and 27 Nm of torque. And these are the power figures. So you get the dual channel ABS. Up front you get the 280 mm of disc, and rear 240 mm of disc. I have tested the brakes in Java 42. They are just amazing. The overall specification is something that theoretical, right? We need to see how it performs and how it rides and behave in the city, and that can only be done when we ride it. So here I am riding this bike, and we'll see all these things now. Let's see the quick acceleration test of this bike. Superb, superb. The acceleration is really good. So quick overtaking in the city shouldn't really be a problem. The acceleration is really good. So there are very minimal vibrations, but they are completely under check, and they are there on the foot pegs. And slow speed handling is also really good. I felt that the Java 42 was also very good for the city ride, and it is no different so far. How good this bike is in terms of handling also we'll check. Really nice. Okay guys, now acceleration is fairly good. Wow. The lean angle is really good. You can lean with this bike. Superb. The handling of this bike is really good. Did you see how good this handles the curves? Really amazing. Quick overtaking is not a problem in this bike, yeah. Look at this, easy. And now we will check the handling of this bike. Look at this. Now you can flick this bike around, yeah. You can play with this bike. So the acceleration is smooth, gear shifting is pretty smooth, and clutch operation is really smooth in this bike. It is absolutely identical in terms of its operation to the Java 42. It's just the styling and design is slightly different in Classic. But I feel that this is more appealing to me, and it can vary from person to person. That's my opinion. And look at the brakes. Did you see the brakes? The brakes are really good. It is an identical setup to the Java 42, so it is really effective braking system. It is really a flickable bike, yeah. How quickly it changes the lane. Look at this bike now. It really changes the lane so quickly. Superb. You can really enjoy this bike in the city. The following things are really important in my opinion in the city ride. One is a quick acceleration to actually quickly overtake a vehicle whenever you need it. A quick braking is sometimes required, so the brakes has to be very effective, and it checks that box also. Gear shifting, clutch operation, and acceleration has to be very smooth. This bike actually fulfills that requirement also. So to me, the bike is really good for the city ride. So overall feel of the bike is really good. The bike feels really nice. The fuel tank capacity is 14 liter, so I think it should give a mileage of somewhere 25 to 30. I don't know, I have not checked. Somebody who is experienced can share how much is the mileage in the city and on the highway. But so far, first ride impression of this bike is really good. This is really a good bike, and the turning radius is superb. It is so manageable. So if you are a short rider like 5.2, 5.3 also shouldn't really be a problem to handle this bike in the city. The seat height is 765 mm, so it is fairly low and it is very manageable. So I would say it is a very good city bike. Look at this now. You can do all these things in the city with this bike, yeah. This is really good. So acceleration, braking, clutch operation, gear shifting, everything is really what I want from a city bike. Really good, really good. I am really loving this bike. Whoa, wow, मजा आ गई. Now we'll show you how you can flick this bike around in the city. Look at this. Range Rover braking is amazing in this bike. Look at this now. Did you see how easy it is to maneuver with this bike? Braking is just amazing. So quick overtaking, I am showing you that it's very easy on this bike. It really will not let you down. Whenever you want to overtake it, it will give you enough power to do that. Turning radius is very good, very small turning radius, so handling this bike in the city is not a problem. Really good bike for the city, guys. So if somebody who is watching this and is really thinking to buy this bike, guys, just take a test ride. If you feel absolutely right on this bike, just go for this. I feel that this bike will not let you down. The look is really good, the brakes are amazing, gear shifting, clutch operation, acceleration, everything is so nice. I really like the bike. So this is about the BS6 Java Classic, all what I like. So now let's talk about something that can be improved. And since I was telling that this bike is identical to Java 42, so in my Java 42 video I have mentioned about 3 things that I did not like or can be improved, and this holds true for the Java Classic as well. Number 1 is the instrument console. अगर instrument console को आप देखेंगे तो उसका orientation it is facing towards sky. So उससे क्या हो रहा है कि उसकी information readability is very difficult. In the same instrument console I feel that it is quite basic. इसके अंदर ज़रूरी information जैसे कि gear position indicator की information नहीं है. Next is tires are the tube tires. I think the tubeless tires would have been welcome. And last and final is the seat. The seat is very stiff for my liking, but that is a very easy fix. You can get the seat cushion, that will solve the purpose. So these are the 3 things I feel that can be improved in the bike. Otherwise I feel that, so from my point of view, the bike is really good for the city use. For touring I would not suggest this bike, but for the city use I feel that the bike ticks all the boxes for me. But that's my point of view and my opinion. It can vary from a person to person. So I would suggest that you, before putting your hard-earned money into this bike, I would suggest that you go and have a test ride, feel the bike, and then take a call. And I wish you all the best. And with this I end the vlog here. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog, and if you did so, then give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, ride safe, bye bye, and take care.